Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make the 3D building growing effect inside the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I will show you the easiest way to do this effect. Let's get started. Here I am using this Eiffel Tower clip. You can download this clip from the link in the description below. First, move the time indicator to the first frame. Now we need to take 5 snapshots. So click on this little camera icon. In the Format option, select PNG and click OK. It will take a snapshot to the project panel. Again, take the snapshot 5 times. Now add these snapshots to the timeline. Then disable the top 4 snapshot layers by clicking this little I button. Now right-click on the bottom snapshot layer and select Edit in Adobe Photoshop. It will open up with Photoshop application, and here we are going to remove the Eiffel Tower from this image. Select the pen tool and draw a path around the Eiffel Tower. We don't need to do it properly. Then click Shift plus Backspace. Here select the Content Aware and click OK. Then click Ctrl plus D to deselect this selection. And here I'm using the Patch tool to remove the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. And go back to the Premiere Pro. So in the first snapshot layer, we have completely removed the Eiffel Tower. Now enable the second snapshot layer. Again, open it with Adobe Photoshop. Now I just need the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. So take the pen tool and select this bottom part. But this time we have to make this selection properly. Then click Ctrl plus Enter to make a new selection. To invert this selection, click on Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Now just click on the Delete button. Then click Ctrl plus S to save, and go back to the Premiere Pro. In the second snapshot layer, we have the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. Now enable the third snapshot layer. Again, open it with Adobe Photoshop. This time, we just need this middle part of the Eiffel Tower. So do the same thing again, and I'll just speed up this part, otherwise video will be too long. Now we have completely separated the Eiffel Tower into 5 layers. Then disable the top 5 layers. At the bottom snapshot layer, we just need to hide the Eiffel Tower only. As you can see, the video is frozen here, so we have to make a mask around the Eiffel Tower. Select the bottom snapshot layer, then move over to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Opacity effect, select the pen tool and draw a mask around the Eiffel Tower. Now in this layer, we have the masking part only and the video is back again. Then enable the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. I want to start this animation around 1 second, so move this layer 1 second to the right side. Then go to the Effects tab and search for Transform. Apply the Transform effect on this layer. Now move to the Effect Controls tab and make sure the time indicator is the first frame of this layer. Then under the Transform effect, make a keyframe on the position. Now move the position where you think it's perfect. In my case, I like to move it down. Then move 15 frames to the right side, so hold on Shift key and press the right arrow key 3 times. Now reset the position value. Mark these keyframe and make them ease in. It will make the animation more smooth. To add the motion blur, set the value of shutter angle to 360, and let's see the preview. Now the animation is perfect, but I want to start this animation from the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. So select this pen tool and draw a mask around the bottom part of the Eiffel Tower. Now it looks perfect. Then move the time indicator first frame of this layer and move 15 frames to the right side. Now enable the middle part of the Eiffel Tower and move this layer to the current time indicator position. Then again add the transform effect on this layer. Now move to the effect controls, and this time I'm going to animate the position, and then the rotation, so move the position down and make rotation value 20. So do this same thing again. I'll just speed up this part. If you want to download project files or any of the assets used to creating this video, you can find the link in the description below. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, or get professional editing services, and that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.